start by understanding what supply chain management really means. At its core, supply chain management is all about overseeing the journey of goods and services, starting from raw materials and ending with the final product in the hands of customers. This process involves a series of steps, each crucial for ensuring that products are delivered efficiently, cost-effectively, and on time. Whether it's sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, or distribution, every link in the chain plays a vital role. As we move through this video, we'll break down each stage and see how they all connect to form a seamless flow from start to finish. Every supply chain starts with raw materials. These are the basic building blocks needed to create a product, whether it's steel for cars or cotton for clothing. The process begins with sourcing these materials from suppliers, often located in different parts of the world. This stage requires careful planning and coordination to ensure that the right materials arrive at the right time. Delays or shortages here can impact the entire chain, making this step one of the most critical in supply chain management. Next, we'll see how these raw materials are transformed into something more. Sourcing is all about finding reliable suppliers who can provide the necessary raw materials at the right quality and price. Companies often build long-term relationships with suppliers to ensure consistency and trust. This stage also involves negotiating contracts, managing risks, and sometimes dealing with unexpected disruptions like natural disasters or political changes. Effective sourcing ensures that production can continue smoothly without interruptions, keeping the entire supply chain on track. Now, let's see what happens once the materials are secured. Once raw materials are sourced, they move to the manufacturing stage. Here, materials are transformed into components or finished products through various processes like assembly, machining, or packaging. Manufacturing requires precise coordination, skilled labor, and quality control to ensure that products meet the required standards. Any issues at this stage can lead to delays or defects, affecting the entire supply chain. After manufacturing, products are ready to move to the next phase, distribution. Quality control is a critical part of manufacturing. It involves inspecting products at various stages to ensure they meet specific standards and are free from defects. This process helps prevent faulty products from reaching customers and protects the company's reputation. Quality control teams use various tools and techniques to monitor production, identify issues early, and implement corrective action. With quality assured, products are ready for the next step in the supply chain. After manufacturing and quality checks, products are packaged for distribution. Packaging serves multiple purposes. It protects products during transit, provides important information, and can even enhance the customer's experience. Companies must choose the right packaging materials and methods to balance cost, protection, and sustainability. Once packaged, products are ready to be shipped to warehouses or directly to customers. Warehousing is where products are stored before they are distributed to retailers or customers. Modern warehouses use advanced technology to track inventory, manage space efficiently, and ensure quick retrieval of products. Proper warehousing helps prevent stockouts and overstocking, both of which can be costly. Efficient warehouse management is key to keeping the supply chain running smoothly and meeting customer demands on time. Inventory management involves keeping the right amount of stock on hand to meet customer demand without overstocking. This requires careful planning, forecasting, and real-time tracking. Companies use software systems to monitor inventory levels, predict trends, and automate reordering. Good inventory management reduces costs, improves cash flow, and ensures that products are always available when needed. Order processing is the step where customer orders are received, verified, and prepared for shipment. This process includes checking inventory, picking products from the warehouse, packing them, and generating shipping labels. Efficient order processing ensures that customers receive their products quickly and accurately, which is essential for customer satisfaction and loyalty. Distribution is all about getting products from warehouses to customers or retailers. This can involve a complex network of transportation methods, including trucks, ships, and planes. Companies must choose the most efficient routes and carriers to minimize costs and delivery times. Effective distribution is crucial for meeting customer expectations and maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Transportation is a key part of the supply chain, involving the movement of goods between different locations. Companies must decide which transportation methods to use based on factors like cost, speed, and reliability. Options include road, rail, air, and sea. Each has its advantages and challenges, and the right choice depends on the type of product and customer requirements. Last mile refers to the final step of delivering products to the customer's doorstep. This stage is often the most challenging and expensive part of the supply chain, especially in urban areas with traffic congestion or remote locations. Companies use various strategies, such as local couriers or automated lockers, to make last-mile delivery faster and more efficient. Customer service is an integral part of supply chain management. It involves handling inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring that customers are satisfied with their purchases. Good customer service can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal customer and help companies stand out in a crowded market. It also provides valuable feedback that can be used to improve the supply chain. Returns management, or reverse logistics, deals with products that customers send back. This could be due to defects, wrong items, or simply a change of mind. Efficient returns management helps companies recover value from returned goods and maintain customer satisfaction. It also involves inspecting, restocking, or recycling products as needed. Technology plays a huge role in modern supply chain management. From inventory tracking systems to automated warehouses and real-time data analytics, technology helps companies operate more efficiently and respond quickly to changes. Innovations like blockchain and the Internet of Things (IoT) are also transforming how supply chains are managed and monitored. Data analytics allows companies to make better decisions by analyzing large amounts of information. In supply chain management, analytics can help forecast demand, optimize routes, and identify potential problems before they occur. By leveraging data, companies can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Automation is changing the way supply chains operate. Robots and automated systems can handle repetitive tasks like picking, packing, and sorting much faster and more accurately than humans. This not only speeds up operations but also reduces errors and labor costs. Automation is becoming increasingly important as companies strive to stay competitive. Sustainability is a growing concern in supply chain management. Companies are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact by using eco-friendly materials, optimizing transportation, and minimizing waste. Sustainable practices not only help the planet but can also improve a company's reputation and appeal to environmentally conscious customers. Risk management involves identifying and preparing for potential disruptions in the supply chain. These risks can include natural disasters, political instability, supplier failures, or transportation delays. Companies develop contingency plans and diversify suppliers to minimize the impact of these risks and keep the supply chain running smoothly. Many supply chains operate on a global scale, sourcing materials and selling products in multiple countries. Managing a global supply chain adds complexity, including dealing with different regulations, currencies, and cultures. Companies must coordinate across time zones and adapt to local market conditions to succeed internationally. Building strong relationships with suppliers is essential for a reliable supply chain. Good relationships can lead to better prices, improved quality, and faster problem resolution. Companies often work closely with suppliers to develop new products, improve processes, and ensure mutual success. Demand forecasting is the process of predicting how much of a product customers will want in the future. Accurate forecasts help companies plan production, manage inventory, and avoid shortages or excess stock. Forecasting uses historical data, market trends, and advanced analytics to make informed predictions. A lean supply chain focuses on eliminating waste and maximizing efficiency. This approach involves streamlining processes, reducing unnecessary steps, and continuously improving operations. Lean principles help companies deliver products faster, lower costs, and respond more quickly to changes in demand. An agile supply chain is designed to be flexible and responsive to changes. This means being able to quickly adapt to new trends, customer preferences, or unexpected disruptions. Agile supply chains use real-time data and close collaboration with partners to stay ahead of the competition. Just-in-time is a supply chain strategy where materials and products are delivered exactly when needed, reducing inventory costs and waste. JIT requires precise coordination with suppliers and a reliable transportation network. While it can improve efficiency, it also increases the risk of disruptions if any part of the chain fails. Visibility means having real-time information about every stage of the supply chain. This allows companies to track shipments, monitor inventory, and respond quickly to issues. Improved visibility leads to better decision-making, fewer delays, and higher customer satisfaction. Collaboration between all parties in the supply chain, suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers, is essential for success. Sharing information and working together helps solve problems faster, improve efficiency, and deliver better value to customers. Evaluating suppliers is an ongoing process. Companies assess suppliers based on quality, reliability, cost, and service. Regular evaluations help identify areas for improvement and ensure that suppliers continue to meet the company's standards. Supplier development involves working with suppliers to improve their performance. This can include training, sharing best practices, or investing in new technology. Strong supplier development programs lead to better products, lower costs, and stronger partnerships. Procurement is the process of acquiring goods and services needed for production. It involves selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and managing relationships. Effective procurement ensures that companies get the best value and maintain a steady flow of materials. Production planning determines how much of each product to make and when. It balances customer demand with available resources such as labor, equipment, and materials. Good planning helps avoid shortages, reduce costs, and keep the supply chain running smoothly. Capacity management ensures that a company has the resources needed to meet demand. This includes managing workforce, equipment, and facilities. Companies must plan for peak periods and unexpected surges to avoid delays and maintain customer satisfaction. Logistics is the part of supply chain management that deals with the movement and storage of goods. It includes transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. Effective logistics ensures that products are delivered to the right place at the right time and in the right condition. Companies use different distribution strategies depending on their products and customers. Some use direct shipping to customers while others rely on retailers or distributors. The right strategy depends on factors like product type, market size, and customer preferences. Order fulfillment is the process of receiving, processing, and delivering customer orders. It involves picking products from inventory, packing them, and shipping them out. Fast and accurate order fulfillment is key to customer satisfaction and repeat business. A smooth supply chain leads to a better customer experience. When products are available, delivered on time, and meet quality standards, customers are more likely to be satisfied and loyal. Every step in the supply chain contributes to the overall experience. Continuous improvement is about constantly looking for ways to make the supply chain more efficient and effective. This can involve adopting new technologies, streamlining processes, or training employees. Companies that focus on improvement stay ahead of the competition and adapt to changing market needs. Supply chains face many challenges, from fluctuating demand and supply disruptions to rising costs and changing regulations. Companies must be proactive in identifying potential issues and developing strategies to overcome them. Flexibility and resilience are key to managing these challenges. The supply chain industry is constantly evolving. Trends like digitalization, automation, sustainability, and globalization are shaping the future of supply chain management. Companies that embrace these trends are better positioned to succeed in a rapidly changing world. Supply chain management offers a wide range of career opportunities, from procurement and logistics to data analysis and customer service. Professionals in this field play a vital role in keeping products moving and customers happy. As supply chains become more complex, the demand for skilled workers continues to grow. Ethical supply chain management means ensuring that products are sourced and produced responsibly. This includes fair labor practices, safe working conditions, and respect for human rights. Companies are increasingly held accountable for their supply chains and must ensure ethical standards are met at every stage. Compliance involves following all laws and regulations that apply to supply chain operations. This includes customs, trade, environmental, and labor laws. Staying compliant helps companies avoid legal issues and maintain a good reputation. Customer feedback is essential for improving the supply chain. By listening to customers and analyzing their feedback, companies can identify areas for improvement and make changes that enhance the overall experience. A strong feedback loop leads to continuous improvement and higher customer satisfaction. The future of supply chain management is bright, with new technologies and strategies emerging all the time. Companies that invest in innovation, sustainability, and talent will be well positioned to thrive. As customer expectations continue to rise, supply chains must become even more efficient, flexible, and responsive. Wrap up: supply chain management is the backbone of delivering products from raw materials to customers. It involves many interconnected steps, from sourcing and manufacturing to distribution and customer service. By focusing on efficiency, technology, and continuous improvement, companies can build resilient supply chains that meet customer needs and drive business success.